happened, Marine?
We got captured.
Oh, I hear footsteps. Be quiet. They're coming. You hear them coming down? Be quiet.
Tell me, where are they? I'm not telling shit. Tell me. Tell me, where are they?
I think they're going to the. You were late.
Not my fault.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Finally.
Let's go see. Wow, you are late. Oh my God, there's cards. Take cover. Fire! That guy's dead.
Come on, man.
That guy should be dead now.
One more guy left. Get the German one. I mean, the Japanese.
He's dead. Come on, let's keep going.
No, we need to get a Japanese one.
It's a trap! It's dead! You got injured on the leg, are you okay?
Huh? It's fine. It's fine. Okay, take it easy.
Wait, good? Oh, okay.
I guess we got that taken care of. Guess they're both dead. Oh! They're still alive! The bitch stabbed me.
Where are they?
I'm not telling you bullshit.
Come on. Never, not until you old.
I'm gonna kill your friend.
Oh. Eat this, Japanese.
Oh, I think I got stabbed.
Oh, here you go.